I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in prerequisites, a balanced loadout and passive perks that suit your playstyle. First, equip 1 melee, 1 ranged, and 1 utility to avoid gaps. Once done, enable 3 passives that improve stamina, defense, or critical chance, and pick fights against low-risk mobs to warm up. This gets your timing steady and keeps energy for counters. Make sure to practice a basic block attack counter sequence until it feels consistent before moving on to tougher encounters. Now you focus on execution. Chain counters and insert 2 to 3 strikes between blocks to maintain momentum without overcommitting. Once you can read enemy patterns, use dodge roll and spacing to reset fights and avoid corner traps. This controls aggression and preserves health. If you notice sustained damage passing about 30%, swap to defensive perks and reduce risky plays. Continue to rehearse timing. Once your basics are reliable, you can add advanced combos while keeping stability as your priority. To finish, upgrade 1 primary and 1 backup weapon to the highest level you can afford so swings and damage windows feel predictable. Then adapt your loadout to boss patterns. Swap to range versus heavy charge enemies or to melee for slow bosses. If runs still feel shaky, dial back DPS and increase defense by about 10 to 20% so mistakes are forgiving. Troubleshooting tip: if you experience frame drops or input lag, lower visual settings and rebind inputs to reduce errors. This usually restores stability fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.